Let's make mosquito repellent. So the first thing that we're gonna need is a spray bottle. Glass is ideal, but I'm just repurposing this plastic heat protectant spray of my mother's. So I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water to the spray bottle, as well as 1/4 cup of witch hazel. You can also use vodka, but we're sober here, so alcohol is not allowed in this house. Okay, now I'm gonna add 20 drops of eucalyptus oil. The mosquitoes do not like this. 10 drops of citronella. Now I'm gonna do 5 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of lavender, and 2 drops of rosemary. And then we're just gonna add a pinch of Epsom salts to help it emulsify. What the fuck? Who designed this? There's this little tab that I need to pull open, but it's so tiny. It hurts my fingers. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to skip on the Epsom salt. Literally just do like a dash. It'll be fine without it, honestly, like whatever. It smells incredible, but don't worry, the mosquitoes will beg to differ.
When you're formulating with essential oils, it's highly ideal that you mix it in a glass container. I'm also repurposing this plastic container because recycling is good, but let's just combine everything in this glass container. Every time you're using essential oils, make sure to put in first your alcohol content or your oil content, something that will solubilize your essential oils. In this case, I'm using 80 proof vodka, or that's 40%. I'll be needing 250 ml of this because I'm using a 500 ml container. Next, I'm dropping in my essential oils. So at 500 ml, we will need about 0.5 to 1% dilution. I'll be using these essential oils that are highly researched to combat mosquitoes and other bugs. So I'm going to be needing 20 drops of eucalyptus, 10 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of cedarwood, 10 drops of lavender, to give gentleness to all of those high-powered essential oils that we used earlier. And finally, 10 drops of rosemary. This is a good outdoor spray. It not only combats mosquitoes, but also flies and other bugs. Mix it very, very well. I'm also adding in 100 ml of lemongrass hydrosol. And you can see my mixture has emulsified. Stir it in very, very well so that your oils and your mixture would emulsify and blend in more efficiently. Pour it in your container. Top off with distilled water and you're good to go. Smells so good. I don't agree with her in adding Epsom salt because Epsom salt does very little in emulsifying your mixture. I'd rather you choose mixing it with soluble or any solubilizer, or start off with an alcohol like vodka so that your oils are readily mixed in with your water content. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Tropical, your certified aromatherapist.